Here I have a Honda I just put back together. It was on the floor in that shed up there. Let's put the camera. Then I rebuilt it, of course. I got one to come to the valve keeper because I lost the other, but it runs fine. It's not for sale. It's going on a go-kart for my brother. And I started up and I'll show you some of the features here. The muffler here is custom. That shaft goes for the go-kart, and choke it and start it up. Switch. It idles pretty low. It does smoke a little when it first starts. I guess every engine almost does. Turn off the choke here. It's stalled. I shouldn't have revved it up. It needs to warm up. But it does rev pretty high. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm going to put it on my go-kart and then update you with a new video. Alright. So, see you later.